Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm back on the plot again today because it's so wet, and I'll just show you. Absolutely, look at this, there's water underfoot. So the greenhouse is not doing too good either. But it doesn't matter, that's not what I'm dealing with today. So today I've decided to put out the first earlies. And I've got quite a few, so I'll get cracking. I'll bring you back shortly. Right, make sure I've got enough labels, about 600 of them. Anyway, I'm looking at this one first, early Casablanca. First early Homegrard. Oh gosh, I went overboard and bought loads. What's this one? First early Pentland Javelin. What's that one? That's another Homegrard, and that's up to now because I've still got stuff dotted around as well. So let's just get this lot in first and then see how we get on. But my arsenal to get this lot planted is this multi-purpose compost. I have had it for quite a few years now. It hasn't let me down. It's good compost, far better than the stuff from Asda, that's for sure. So if Asda, if you're listening, as much as I like shopping with you, I'll show you what I mean by Asda stuff. I've shown it on another video, but this is Asda stuff. So there's a marked difference. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the potato pots, sink them in a bit into that soil there. That's where I had the Brussels sprouts last year, which failed miserably. So yeah, so I'm going to put them in there, and hopefully I'll have a better doy with it. And I don't want compost maker. I've got, which is when I looked at that, it's got compost maker on the lid. What I do have is blood, fish and bone, and potato fertiliser. Seem to be doing okay. Oh, yeah, so I seem to get a good return off that combination. So I will carry on and get stuff planted up now. So making good progress, slowly but surely, because it's a bit backbreaking. But what my other half is doing is something that we saw on My Family Garden on YouTube, whereby he grew potatoes in wood chippings. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant this up with some first earlies, variety. What am I doing now? Honestly, just bear with me a moment. I've got manure on one side and yes, gosh, I'm on the right side of the path now. You see a bloody quag my working in, but it's got to be done. What am I playing with? I'm playing with Homegrard. So I'll give him a few Homegrard and see how we get on with that, and see how the potatoes progress. In this trug's got holes in the bottom, by the way, as well, but it's worth a try. Okay, time for a muffin, or should I say a cupcake? Yeah, a cupcake, something I prepared earlier, and a brew. Cup of coffee does you good to have a rest. So I've gone through a lot of the blue compost, which is a growing patch 40 litre compost. I've gone through all of that as expected. I've just got the Levingtons, yeah, so I'll have to get some more. And the reason I decided to, I've had a couple of years of the same soil with added soil. I think, yeah, about 2 years with added soil. And sort of reconstituted it, but I've had ants in a couple. I've had other creepy crawlies So what I've decided, oh, and canker, which is not wholly attributed to creepy crawlies, like, but I thought it's about time we had some new compost. So here we have it. So we're all here, and I've got Pentland Javelin. I'm gonna put my glasses on, it might help too. First early Casablanca and Homegrard. So it's 3 varieties. I've just got a slack handful left, and then that's that lot done. So I've got a few more buckets left over there, plus a couple of buckets somewhere else. So that's the first earlies in, and that's the best thing, you know. You get it's so exciting when you see your potatoes coming up. It's just as exciting really to see what you get out of it. But I've left a reasonable margin to the top, so I've got some equine bedding to add on top of that to protect the soil from the sun and help keep the moisture in. I've also sunk them in as per Nick's the gardener. So it's looking good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 first early pots, so we're going to have a load of fun with that lot. I've taken some of the chits off as well. I've heard that if you take 1 or 2 chits off, you might get larger potatoes, so I'm going to give it a go. You never know. Okay then, so it's raining. I'm up to the eyeballs in mud. But it has to be done. My other half as well, I'll just show you. Yeah, we've got a load of blueberries and we've had them in the ground. I bought some last year, and they need to be in ericaceous or acidic compost, so we decided to bite the bullet and just buy the soil. I've got the fertilizer as well. So when you actually dug them out, there wasn't actually that much root growth on them at all. So, and we had a couple in the other garden here, and they were just miserable. So we've decided to give them a birthday and also pop them up. And apparently they do better in larger pots better. So yeah, so there you have it. Okay, so the greenhouse heaters are both on now. It's raining a little bit. Yes, that's enough for today. This is what I've got tea already made. Alright folks, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.